This is the top 1 hot-selling block machine in Alibaba this year. It is the QT4 It is fully automatic with hydraulic press, but the frame is make a little small, can be fitted into 20-feet containers, can save much saving cost. It can make almost all types blocks just by changing mode. The investment for this machine is not high. It is the most durable block machines. If you want to start with an automatic hydraulic block machine, I recommend you this model. If you have more questions about this machine, please follow us. Then we can talk online directly by the trade manager.